In daily life, bacteria are omnipresent, presenting various challenges to our skin, and simultaneously, body odors make our social interactions awkward. The WASHWOW electronic bath bowl is your ideal companion for daily hygiene, utilizing advanced electrolysis technology. It generates reactive oxygen and hydrogen peroxide for deep cleaning, eliminating bacteria, breaking down organic substances secreted by the body, and removing sweat odors, as well as addressing the unique body odors of the elderly. It effectively combats Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus, preventing diaper rash, athlete's foot, and protecting your skin. Electrolyzed water can efficiently remove pore impurities, tighten the skin, enhance skin elasticity, providing you with a refreshing experience. The WASHWOW electronic bath ball safeguards the health of you and your family, creating a happy life.